morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Australian dollar and the US dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.6% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. Amazon's stock dropped 2.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar gained 0.7% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The dollar rebounded from a 13-month low against the euro before Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is due to speak on Friday, and as the greenback's recent weakness was seen as being overdone. TD Bank reported its first loss in over 2 decades after setting aside an extra $2.6 billion to cover expected fines from US regulators, which have been probing weaknesses in Canada's second-largest lender's anti-money laundering controls. Oil prices settled up more than 1% as expectations for a US interest rate cut in a few weeks fueled a rebound after 4 days of price declines. Brent crude futures settled up 1.54%.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US new home sales will be released at 14 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 6:45 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Canada's retail sales at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.